Once upon a time, there was a beautiful tree standing in the middle of a village. It had thick green leaves, strong branches, and gave sweet apples in the summer. Not far from the tree lived a little boy. Every day, he would come to the tree to play. He would climb its branches, eat its apples, and sleep under its shade. The tree loved the boy very much. They were best friends. As the boy grew older, he stopped visiting the tree as much. Part 1. The boy wants money. One day, the boy came back. The tree was so happy and said, "Come, play with me." But the boy said, "I'm not a kid anymore. I want money. Can you give me some money?" The tree was sad. "I don't have money," said the tree. "But you can take my apples and sell them in the market." So the boy took all the apples and left. He didn't come back for a long time. The tree was lonely, but still waited. Part 2. The boy wants a house. Years passed. The boy became a man. He came back and the tree was very excited. "Come play with me," the tree said. But the man said, "I need a house. I want to get married and start a family. Can you give me a house?" The tree thought for a moment and said, "I don't have a house. But you can cut my branches and build your house." So the man took all the branches and left. The tree was now just a trunk, but it was happy to help. Part 3. The man wants a boat. Many more years passed. The man came back again. Now he looked tired and sad. The tree said, "Come play with me." But the man said, "I want to travel far away. I need a boat." "Can you give me one?" the tree said. "Cut my trunk. Use it to make a boat. Then you can sail away and be happy." So the man cut down the tree and built a boat. He left. And the tree was just a stump. Part 4. The boy returns as an old man. Many, many years later, the boy came back again. But now, he was an old man. His hair was white. His back was bent. The tree, now just a stump, whispered, "I have nothing left to give you." The old man smiled softly and said, "I don't need anything now. I just want to sit down and rest." "Well," said the stump, "an old stump is perfect for sitting. Come, sit with me and rest." The old man sat down. The tree was happy, very happy. The tree's last gift, the old man sat on the stump and looked around. The village had changed. There were new houses, tall buildings, and new roads. But the tree stump was still there, silent, peaceful, and strong. The old man closed his eyes and said, "I remember everything. You gave me apples when I was hungry. Your branches became my house. Your trunk became my boat, and now you give me rest." The tree didn't speak that, but in the wind. The old man heard a soft whisper, "I was happy to give, because I loved you." The old man sat quietly. As the sun began to set behind the hills, the sky turned golden, and birds flew home to their nests. Children played nearby, laughing and running under the evening sky. One little girl saw the old man and came closer. She said, "Grandpa, what are you doing here all alone?" He smiled and said, "I'm sitting with my oldest friend." She looked around, but it's just an old tree stump. The old man nodded, yes, but once, it was everything. Thank you so much for listening to this full story. I hope it touched your heart the way it touched mine. If you believe in the power of love, giving, and new beginnings, please like this video, share it with someone special, and subscribe for more stories every week. Until next time, take care of your roots and help new seeds grow.